Welcome to Super Global Host. In this video, we will show you how to pay and renew your software step by step. If your software is expired or about to expire, you will see a Pay Now button inside your software dashboard. Click on the Pay Now button. This will redirect you to your Super Global Host account. Now log in using your registered email and password. After login, you will see your client dashboard. From here, click on Invoices. Select your unpaid invoice and click to open it. Now enter your card details including card number, expiry date, cardholder name, and CVV. You may receive an OTP from your bank. Enter the OTP to complete verification. Once payment is successful, your invoice will be marked as paid. Your software will now be automatically renewed for the next year. When you return to your software, you will see the updated expiry date. You can also add funds to your account for future renewals and faster checkout. Thank you for watching. If you need any help, feel free to contact Super Global Host Support.